10 Juice Cleanse for Gallbladder. The gallbladder plays a vital role in digestion, but issues like gallstones or inflammation can cause discomfort. A juice cleanse tailored for gallbladder health can help. Here are 10 juices to consider. 1. Beetroot and carrot juice, supports liver function and bile production. 2. Dandelion greens juice, stimulates bile flow and aids gallbladder health. 3. Apple cider vinegar tonic, helps dissolve gallstones and soothes digestion. 4. Lemon and ginger juice, stimulates bile production and aids gallstone dissolution. 5. Turmeric and pineapple juice, reduces inflammation and aids digestion. 6. Cucumber and celery juice, hydrating, supports kidney function and detoxification. 7. Radish and spinach juice, loaded with nutrients, aids detoxification. 8. Cranberry juice, prevents gallstone formation and supports urinary health. 9. Milk thistle and mint juice, supports liver health and soothes digestion. 10. Watermelon juice, refreshing and hydrating, supports overall gallbladder function. Incorporate these juices into your routine for gallbladder support, but always consult a healthcare professional first, especially if you have health concerns. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.